Beautiful spot to spend a few hours here today. I'm on North Stradbroke Island in Queensland, Australia. Just beautiful. And I was sitting here thinking about that phrase that I heard in the last few days was, if you own your own breath, no one can steal your peace. And just sitting here by the beach, feeling the breeze, the fresh air, it feels very, very true. Because if you're aware of your breath, that's the core of meditation. If you're aware of your breath, that's the core of serenity. If you're aware of your breath, not a lot can get to you, and doesn't this just feel lovely? Little kid playing on the beach over here. My rallies are off snorkeling. So be aware of your breath, breathe deeply, don't forget the Wim Hof, don't forget consciousness. When you breathe consciously, you're allowing your frontal cortex to open up and see. How does your soul feel today? Do you feel at peace? Do you feel alive? Do you feel together? Hope so. Hope you all have a fantastic one, whatever it is you're doing in the next 24, 48 hours. Take care, everyone. Love you.